My grandpa gave me these clamps a few years ago, and they're built really well. Not sure how old they are, but they're solid steel, no plastic on them. They extend to any length, and then it just uses the screw to clamp in your pieces. And I've never really had a spot to put them. I've always just kind of left them leaning against the wall, so I decided I was going to make some sort of holder for them.
Today, a day to go, most of our lights in, so that's pretty good.
Lots of ladies that made it a show. Just sort of many arms formulas to keep. Just on planet Earth.
I am one of the ones who discovered always discreet underwear for sensitive black. They make me secure, confident, I feel protected. I mean, I feel comfortable to move in them, they move me. I have always discreet underwear because of the fit. Whatever is there. I can wear whatever I want to wear.
So there you have it, my way of getting my clamps off the ground. I did end up changing the design halfway through. I realized that I made the arms way too long and it was just unnecessary. I also chose this design because I wanted to put the mounting brackets into studs rather than just in the drywall, which I'm sure with the butterfly anchors it would have held no problem, but I also like the way this looks over top of the pegboard there. And actually, the way that the studs are, the clamps line up perfectly with the end of the handle to the end of the pegboard and the other side over here. I was having some trouble with my bandsaw. It doesn't seem like the blade or the wheels are perfectly true, and I get a lot of blade wobble. You get what you pay for, but if anyone has any recommendations or tips on how to true that up, I'd be open to any suggestion. And again, thanks for watching.